Kennst du das Buch Der Hobbit? Ja, ich kenne das Buch. Es ist super. Weißt du, es ist auch ein Film? Ja, ich kenne den Film auch. Es ist super. Ich weiß, Der Hobbit ist super. Kennst du Ian McKellen? Nein, ich kenne ihn nicht. Aber ich weiß, er hat Gandalf in Der Hobbit gespielt. Der Hobbit ist super. Ich weiß alles über Der Hobbit. Ich weiß, du bist ein Idiot. Ian McKellen, er weiß das nicht. Er ist glücklich, dass er dich nicht kennt. Ich wünsche, ich dich nicht kenne. Okay, we have two new words here. Take a minute and you want to look for them, be able to tell me what they are. Pause if you need some time. Okay, so we have the words Wißen and kennen. Those are new words that you haven't learned in any other unit yet. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, what do they mean? And as you look at the example, you see, kennst du das Buch? Ich kenne den Film auch. So you're probably telling me it means no. No. Okay. Do you know the book? Yes, I know the film also. Do you know Ian McKellen? So that's great. So let's look at Wissen. And we have, weißt du, es ist auch ein Film? Oder, ich weiß, du bist ein Idiot. So listen, you look at it and say, no, it means no. Do you know it's also a movie? I know The Hobbit is awesome. So now the next question is, okay, great, we have two words, but they mean the same thing, so what is the difference? Spend a minute, pause the video if you need to, look at the examples, try and figure out what is the difference between these two words. Alright, so I'm hoping you pause this and figure this out, and so what we have is Wissen is used for facts, whereas kennen is used for people you know, or books you know, or films you know, things where that knowledge is a lot more in depth. You know, people, books, movies, those sort of things. Whereas Wissen is used a lot more for facts. It's a fact that it's a film. It's a fact that it is super. You know, it's a fact that Ian McKellen does not know this. And so on. Whereas, you know, do you know the book? Yes, I know the book. Alright, so now what do you need to know? Kennen, you look at it, it's nice and regular, but Wissen, you see, oh, that one's not regular. See that weißt du, ich weiß, whereas we have ich weiß down here, whereas we know the words Wissen. So, if we scroll down a little bit, oops, too far, and then not far enough, and then here we are, right at it. We have the word Wissen broken down right here. Kennen you don't need broken down because it's just absolutely regular, but here we can see Wissen, we have weiß, weist, or weiß. Notice how in the singular forms it adds an E because it's irregular. It also doesn't have endings here, whereas over here in the plurals, Wissen, wisst, wissen, and wissen, it's just an I, and it has endings all the places it should. So let's just do this quick practice right here. Wissen oder kennen for this one. Du den neuen Film mit Johnny Depp? Da, da, da. Kennst du den neuen Film mit Johnny Depp? Und Nummer 2. Du wie viel Uhr der Film beginnt? Das ist weißt du wie viel Uhr den Film beginnt.